What are you? So we're dip on our next video again. So probably if you drop a video about Polly and how everything set in me and left and how things now. So I'm jumping everything real quick. But before I'm going, I say in everything you know, I always remember God. Just because me personally, to me, if I never got more than there, so I say God is good, God is great, and God never give up, so I better have faith. You know. I enjoy a couple things on my phone. I'm going to read off a couple questions or something, and then you can just know what I want to see for you. And it's the first thing I may say, me and the cold. I never feel them a cold like it. You know? Never. Them a cold a different cold. A ducky cold, them a ducky alone to go up on them a cold.
Them a cold enough for you, man. No, so it's too cold.
So man, as I say when we reach at the airport, because I tell you, this guy, Richardson, on the plane we meet the guy, you know, you see boss now look a shirt like this, and boss I beat him juice and I say, is your first time? And I say, yeah, it's my first time. I say, oh, it's very nice outside, don't worry. I'm like, oh, cool, you know, still let me pull over and I come off at the plane and I come through the place and get warm, so I just back off and say, alright, probably the place nice. When I reach back out the door, I get the boss, say, hey, good seeing you, man. Like I say, yo, enjoy my time, you know? As I say, as I reach out the door, I say, alright, I go out the door, wait, man, Sean, I have running back. My color too rough. My color not play. I play them as and then, so that, the cold, and I don't want me like, you know? But what may I say, a good thing, I come catch up on the cold now, you know, more than down your line, see free. Anyway, all me and the food, you know, through my cook, so anything I might cook me work with and me cook some my time, but when I go out, I have to pick, but I'm willing to try them, you know, anything I know, just mark off that, no, I work with my belly. It's maybe don't say I eat everything in one place, but no. Delete that from my thing. So me and the food will work out good so far. My plans, you know, some people are like, what are my plans now? Well, there's always 3 plans. So I always I always say, if I live in Jamaica, I'll go back to school. And while I'm going to school, I'll work just the same. So my plans, you know, is school, you know, but at the same time I'm thinking about my family, so I want to work too. So I'm gonna be working and going to school after or before. So how I feel when I leave, sure. When I left, I reach at the airport. When I reach at the airport, I say, oh, John, know about that. God, you know, there I got foreigner guy, yeah. I say, John, no. When I go through the place and pass security and something, I say, yeah. So I just Nisha always go through her sit down and now wait, man, go buy some food and jump in on the plane and sit down and get a seat, find for me a seat and everything good. So but I ain't really feel no way because at the same time, I left Jamaica here, I feel a way. To tell you the truth, I feel emotional that day, you know. And then when if you know say yeah, I go see my daughter too, so it's like I left with a bad feeling, but at the same time I come with a good feeling because I go see my daughter, you see free. So when I left, it was like a mixed emotion, you know, because sad and good. And yeah, how I feel when I get the visa, honestly, like it's just a good feeling, that's what I tell her. But the thing is, like, I call Polly and I say, yo, people must say they can't give me it, you know? And I must say, boy, my son, I say, go. Probably I can try again, you know? I say, I'm gonna say, go. When I reach down, I call him. And then I hang up and call him back and I say, but Polly, guess what?
I'm leaving. I'm on a jet plane. And I don't know when I'll be back again.
Probably start scream out, you know what I mean? I say, yeah man, I hate man, but some people was asking like, how is it with me starting over? Yo, starting over is not nice, not good. But we have to do what we have to do, cause we have family and we have all the things, you know. So, but starting over, yo, rough, cause. But I get choose to because that's strong enough. I have all the faith, you know. I go through, but one big up. You know, Simone Williams. Remember you know charge. I hope you watch that vlog yeah. Or that video yeah. Remember you man, me rented the vehicle at the hotel there. Yeah man, big up yourself man. And yeah, we there in our place and enough respect you see pray. So you just showing to see me. Police make a little video, send off come and give me same way and thing and me showing her advice now cause honestly big man cry. When I sit down on the plane and I say, boy, and if probably go good. Yeah. You know, I actually start crying. And like a guy sit down next like 2 seats away from me and each time I'm like the guy was looking at me, I'm like, yo, I feel embarrassed, like I'm crying, a big man cry. Yeah, but me they all the paper the mommy they use on a white me like me I say alright first. You can't done crying no no boss. It's like you crying already if you done yet. Yeah, I got like crying already if you done it, but today I wipe up here and wipe up my nose and all of my nose are in mess boy. As me I say yo, me I left my mother and I know I left her foot. I never really left her foot for so long, you know. But and so when I turn big man have to make big man step down. So I make some big man step. Yeah, so I'm sending Polly the voice note. I don't know what you want to say, so tune in and check out the video. You see pretty. Boot it up. So I'm actually going to play the voice note from my phone and show you, you know? Yeah, so see pretty you know. Now if I can see, the first message I'm sending her was this, I love you. And she said, I love you too. And then this was turn up your phone so I can you all go on. Yo, I'm there and send one voice no my and correct say yeah, water there and come here and star. Me said to her, I say, I miss you already. But this was her voice note. Even though me not even like listening it, but here it goes. So Ziggy, me just realize Ziggy. I try for Wally, you know. I try for Wally, but Ziggy, me know say I just one of the days I know say you have to left fish back me the one night time, but I understand. Me say me now. Yo, I don't feel like crying right now. And it's like, why make me actually feel like crying right now, you know, like nobody not like, you know, nobody not like your name mother cry, you see pre. But we continue off and just finish off and get over it, you know. Me there with my mother for, cause we say 20 something years, you see pre. And everything just like if you left her foot my youth like sad, emotional, bad, you know. So, I there Polly foot all my life, you know. As I say more and move and come back and you see me? And me and Polly just come like a best friend. Like not even come like Polly are my best friend. You see pre like me and Polly talk about anything. Anything. You see me? And this name come like a one little trick me I take to move that song forward back, you see pretty, so it thing kinda rough, but so you go see, but love still there, we link up same way and something, so I don't talk too long, I fear a moment this me Japan back and show no I go on same speed, you know. So start off back.
Crying about so we think about you, know, and like, you know, text me a while ago and say, I love me, and, you know, I want to just come from me eye, pull up me eye water.
So that was our message that was exchanged, you know, and as I meditate, so like when we're on the plane, like I just say everything just, I mean, a right hand cross my jaw can, one right hand, like I just say everything just fist me up, and start crying and it's just, I just getting your feelings just why you cry. You want to stop crying and you can't stop, because me dey on the plane honestly, like me I try to stop, because I say everybody a pass and I look at me and I say, it's a big money I sit down by and plane and I cry, you know, but yeah, so hope you like that video, comment, subscribe and share it, you see me? Love you, enough love.